Hey guys, welcome to our 5th video. We hope you guys enjoy it. We have another dance video prepared for you guys.
This video is dedicated to Felisa and Lisa.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we want to give a huge shout out to all the fans that have been sharing our YouTube videos on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and everything. We want to give you guys a huge shout out. We love you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Watching, guys. Hope you guys made it to the end of this video. We just wanted to give a huge shout out to Evan. She told us to give us a shout out, so hey.
Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And we did get suggestions for dances, and we will be doing them as soon as possible.
We love you guys.
We love you.
Bye.